What's up, guys? This is Vince Anthony Automation in Visalia, California. Continuing on from the basic lesson of just linking a factory talk project to a PLC project, and I did that just so I have options for buttons and an interface basically to the programs that I'm going to be writing. So in order to get online with a program, we're going to have to talk about links. RSLinx. So RSLinx is the in-between between you and the PLC, between the RS Logic software and the PLC itself. See, if I get on, I deleted my drivers and links. So if I try and get online with the processor now, it's not going to show anything. I don't have any, there's nothing going on. That's the IP address of my machine, and that's it. So what we're going to do is we're going to set up the driver over for Ethernet to communicate with a PLC. So what you do is you open RSLinx, and you're going to open configure drivers, and there's two options here. I'm going to go with just Ethernet devices for now, and with Ethernet devices you have to manually put all the Ethernet addresses in that you want to communicate with. With Ethernet IP driver, it's going to pick up all the IP addresses on your net and subnets, and that's pretty useful if you don't know the IP address. You might get lucky and it'll pick it up. But I'm going to go Ethernet devices here. I'm going to say add new, and you can call it whatever you want. I usually just leave it that default name, and the address of the PLC that I'm trying to get online with is I'm going to say okay. Now we're running here, so we're going to minimize the links here. You could close it also. And now when we go to comms and we say who active, and we pull this tree down, see, this is our driver here, and right now it's looking, and it'll populate. Boop, there's the address that I put in, and that's the one that I'm trying to get online with right there. So we say okay, and there we are. Now we're online, and that's it. I'm gonna go in the next video talking about these control bits and how they work, and then we're gonna go into instructions. So follow along. Thanks.